Dive into the top 6 snorkeling spots in Tahiti, where beginners and families can explore the underwater marvels of French Polynesia. From the island with the endless lagoon to the Garden of Eden, each location promises a unique aquatic adventure. Rangiroa's vast lagoon, part of the Tuamotu archipelago, is a snorkeler's dream. The Tiputa Pass, a channel teeming with dolphins, rays, and sharks, offers clear waters and gentle currents, making it an ideal spot for those new to snorkeling or visiting with little ones. Just a ferry ride away from Tahiti, Moorea captivates with its lagoonarium, a natural aquatic sanctuary. Here, families can swim with stingrays and black-tip sharks in shallow, serene waters, surrounded by a rainbow of coral and fish, a magical experience on the magical island. Tahiti Iti, the lesser-known half of Tahiti, hides the tranquil lagoon of Tehupu. This village, famous for its surfing waves, also harbors a snorkeling paradise with vibrant coral gardens and a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for beginners and family outings. Bora Bora, the Pearl of the Pacific, is a snorkeling jewel with its iconic Matira beach. The shallow lagoon waters are home to manta rays, reef sharks, and a myriad of tropical fish, offering a safe and mesmerizing snorkeling experience for all ages. The secluded atoll of Tetiaroa, once Marlon Brando's private retreat, now welcomes snorkelers to its eco-friendly resort. Encounter sea turtles and dolphins in the calm, clear waters, and explore the atoll's vibrant coral reefs for a serene and exclusive underwater journey. Hua Hin, known for its lush beauty and cultural richness, boasts snorkeling spots like Fair Bay and Avia Bay. These bays offer clear waters and diverse marine ecosystems, where snorkelers can meet butterfly fish, parrotfish, and moray eels in a setting that's both tranquil and teeming with life. In conclusion, Tahiti's snorkeling spots are a haven for beginners and families, offering safe, clear waters and a chance to witness the ocean's splendor. Whether you're gazing at the dance of a manta ray or the flutter of a butterfly fish, these top 6 locations promise unforgettable aquatic adventures. Book your trip with Far and Away Adventures and immerse yourself in the beauty of Tahiti's underwater world. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.